Buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to dive into the exhilarating world of business principles, Gary Vee style. 1. Crush it with hustle and heart. Gary Vee's mantra is simple but powerful: hustle hard and do it with passion. Whether it's your 9-to-5 job or your entrepreneurial dreams, giving it your all with heart is the secret sauce to success. 2. Content is king, context is God. Gary knows the digital game inside out. He preaches that content is essential, but so is delivering it in the right context. Don't just shout into the void. Tailor your message to your audience and the platform. 3. Jab, jab, right hook. In the world of social media, Gary likens your marketing strategy to a boxing match. Jab with value-packed content, then hit M with the right hook, a call to action. But remember, it's all about giving before asking. 4. Self-awareness is key. Gary is all about knowing yourself. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and passions helps you navigate the business world better. Authenticity wins every time. 5. Patience and long-term vision. Quick wins are great, but Gary's got his eyes on the prize, the long game. Building a lasting empire takes time. Think marathon, not sprint. 6. Embrace failure like a badge of honor. Failure? It's just a pit stop on the road to success. Gary encourages you to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Failures are your battle scars, wear them proudly. 7. Crush your side hustle. Don't just settle for your 9-to-5. Gary believes in nurturing that side hustle until it can replace your main gig. It's all about building multiple income streams. 8. Be obsessed with your customers. Your customers aren't just transactions, they're relationships. Gary Vee preaches obsessing over your customers' needs, listening to their feedback, and delivering exceptional value. 9. Legacy over currency. Gary reminds us that life is more than just making money. It's about leaving a legacy, making an impact, and creating a lasting mark on the world. 10. Gratitude and empathy. In the hustle and bustle of business, don't forget to be grateful and empathetic. Treat people well, from your employees to your customers. Kindness is a currency of its own. So there you have it, the electrifying business principles of Gary Vee. Get out there, hustle with heart, and remember, it's not just about the money, it's about creating value, building relationships, and leaving your mark on the world.
Want to learn more? Subscribe for more Mind Shop lessons.